Hi. Good morning. I don't think I had enough coffee yet. Anyhow, the gang's all here. You know me, Dee Dee. And there's Kathy, and there's Cliff, and there's Journey with Jay. So we are at the Fieldstone Farm Preserve. I think we've all been here before, but there's a little known waterfall up here. It's very seldom photographed or videoed, so we're going to go find it. Come along.
Good morning, and we are at Fieldstone Farm Preserve, and we have Journey with Jay right behind me.
And here, I'm back here somewhere. There I am.
And Cliff, he's working on his intro.
He's over there.
He's at the sign.
Come up through here and go all the way up to Scranton, and the water from the creek they had pumped, and they took it up to a place where there was one of those tanks where they would fill the steam locomotives.
Oh.
So there's parts of the only thing you can, like the railroad and all the tracks and all that stuff are gone. They're like, I don't even know where the track was, but apparently it was along the creek. But you can still, there was a video I saw there that somebody actually found remnants of the piping and it's going up through a thing where the water was actually fed to the tank, giving it the name Tank Creek.
Is that around here?
I was thinking like tank.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Yeah, water tank, yeah.
Oh, I wound up in the back of the pack anyhow. That's okay. We're good. It's not that bad a hill. It's only a little bit. It's not a real long walk. But this was built in 1910 by Mr. Phineas, a very wealthy New York City merchant, built for his daughter. It has a wonderful history, and in around 1960s it burnt down, and you are about to see the ruins. Oh, look at this. This was not like this last time I was here. That was from, what was that, a hurricane or a tropical storm?
Well, it started as a hurricane, but by the time it got to us, it was a tropical storm or depression.
Wow. Because this would have been easy to drive up before. Not so much now. Wow.
Trying to look for some fossils.
What happened here? Oops.
So this collab was organized by UCB Explorers.
Did you hear that? Don't believe her. She's better at doing this than me.
And she's the one that found out about the waterfall.
Well, what she just said, yeah, that's true. There's waterfalls here that are kind of well hidden and not very well known. So we're going to find them. Let's give you some pictures. Here's the farmhouse. God, it looks amazing with those leaves. The color. Beautiful. Whew, sorry for huffing and puffing. I am no spring chicken anymore. So, here's Cliff and Jay. They got here just before us. Look at that. Okay. Oh. Hi. Well, somebody must have taken the signs down. I don't know. But there used to be signs over there not to go in here, but I mean, it is a little dangerous because it is a crumbling building, let's face it. And this was like for lights. This was the front door. Got some wood here. Can you imagine coming to your front door and seeing this Beautiful, huge fireplace. Okay, part of that roof crumbled. It wasn't quite that bad last time I was here. I never noticed that there's a pipe in the wall that goes all the way up. And here, because in the 50s, the house did have electricity. There are some wires, conduit, light switches. Okay. This path going right through the house is rather well worn. Last time I was here, it was a lot of sticker bushes. And here's the fireplace. Isn't that gorgeous? I love this old stonework. It's just amazing. You figure it's over 100 years old. They say it was built in 1910, but some of the stories I've seen online say it was built earlier. Now part of this roof has collapsed. It wasn't that bad last time I was here. Okay, let's walk through here. Okay. Sorry, I gotta watch where I'm walking now. Okay, there's Journey with Jay down there. And you see the wood? The wood is black. You can see where it was burnt, clearly burnt. Okay. And this would be like the side porch, side door, with steps to go down. And being that this is like almost shoulder high on me, I can't climb up there, but we will get up there. Okay. Alright. Alright, we made it down to the back. And this has not changed since I was here last. This, they think, was part of a well, because just down below there is a spring house and a pond. And it did rain a tiny bit during the night, so yeah, my feet are gonna get wet, and I'm okay with that. I brought extra shoes. And here are the side steps to go up in the house. God, the stonework. It's windy. Here we are. There we are. All right. And this would have been, well, some may have said it was the front of the house. It was facing the pond. Some think it was the back of the house. It does have a nice porch on it. And there's Cliff. And there's Jay. Okay. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my. A little windy? That's alright. And I like the fact that there's minimal graffiti. So. Oh, wouldn't it be so cool to go back in time and look at this when they were living in it? It had to be awesome. Awesome. And right over there, buried in all those weeds, is the small foundation of what everybody thinks was like a small barn or animal shed, because they did have animals here at one point. Alright, let's go down this little path. There's a spring house down here along with the pond that they used for swimming. It was actually a man-made swimming hole. Kind of cool if you ask me. Alright, it's just down here. I think I'm gonna come out above it actually. Yeah, I'm like right on top of it. I have to go down there. Oh yeah, my feet are gonna get wet. That's okay. We're good. We're okay. Look at that. Look at that. There's Cliff. There we are. We are in search of Journey with Jay. Like, where did he go? We lost him. Come on, Jay. Let's go find the waterfall. Isn't that great? Beautiful. Beautiful. And there she is doing what she does best. Oh, there's Jay.
We found you. We found you.
This is not the creek. This is just runoff from up in the mountain. Or the hill, I should say. So, I'm definitely going to get my feet wet. Let's go! Wet is wonderful. Whoa, look at all this. Yeah, we had a little bit of rain last night. Holy crow. I didn't expect to have this much runoff today. Like, wow, wow, wow. Sounds like a waterfall down here. And there's Cliff way ahead of us. Like, what else is new? Well, they are working their way down. We met another couple there. That was not Cliff. That was somebody else. They're working their way down. My feet are already wet. Not soaked, but wet. That's okay. It's worth it. Such a gorgeous day. And the colors are not peak, but they're on the way. They are on the way, baby. Here they come, walking down the path. Get the funniest looks from everyone we pass. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with me. Ha ha! Wait till you hear what I was just singing on the video. Okay. Oh my gosh. We are finally down here by the creek. Look at that washout. Oh my gosh. This almost looks like a path. Jay, is that a path? Following the creek? It kind of looks like it.
Kind of looks like it might be a game trail too.
Well, as long as it follows the creek, I'm good. Let's go.
Where'd Cliff go?
He's ahead of us. He's the hiker of the group. Well, I think we are on a game path. But this creek is beautiful. And, oh, right behind me. There they are. Okay. Just wanted to make sure we didn't lose anybody. Cliff is up there. He is the seasoned hiker of the group. Okay. Well, oops. We were fighting our way through the brush and through the woods and through the muck and the mire for like a half hour. Wow. I did not expect it to be this pretty. It is worth the hike. Oh my God, look how high they are. Oh my God. I did not think it was like that. This is awesome. This is awesome. Whew. Sorry for being out of breath. I'm a little excited here. Oh my gosh. Here we are at the base. Wow. There's Cliff and Jay. For some perspective, I never thought it was going to be this high. You know, I saw one picture of it a couple years ago. But wow, this is awesome. I'm sorry if it gets bouncy now because I need to watch where I'm walking. Hold on. We got run here. We got some running there. We got some running over there. And this is over here. Could you imagine this after a heavy rainfall, like after Ida? Wow. So careful, Cliff. You're the sure-footed one. Don't fall on us. All right. I tried to get up there where the guys are, but it's really hard for me. Sorry. This is pretty much the end for me, but this is absolutely gorgeous. It is worth the hike, it was a little difficult. The last 1,000 feet was difficult. Well, I did make it. Oh, I just walked right through. So now I'm calf deep in water, which, that's okay. This is so gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. Wow. There's the crew. This has got to be, oh my God, at least 50 feet. At least. Got to be at least. Thanks for coming. That was a beautiful walk on a nice, crisp day. A little overcast, but it made it good for picture taking. Anyhow, hope to see you soon. Peace, baby.